What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, the lighting is so bright. Let me figure out if I could turn it down really fast. Did that work? Is that better? Oh my god, now I think it's too dark. Okay, I'm still trying to figure out this whole like lighting thing. Does that look better? Well, I just got off of work. Good morning. It's literally the day that I post this, Saturday, June 13th. I don't have a video plan today, and I figured that I would just talk to you guys because I am exhausted. I just got off. It's 11 something. I had a really short day today, which was really nice. I worked all of this week, or last week, I guess technically now, since it's Saturday, and I'm exhausted. I'm tired. I can't wait for the weekend, which is technically for me tomorrow and Monday, and so does Cole. So those are our weekends because we have Sunday and Monday off together. So those are our weekend days, and we're so excited because we get to sleep in. He gets to play video games all night. I get to play my Switch all night. I was so excited because I got off before noon today, so I could check turnip prices before they changed over. So I did that really fast. They're only 69 bells right now, so I'm not about to sell them. So I'm gonna have to sell them tonight no matter the price. But I sold a lot of them during the earlier in the week when they were 187, and I got them for 97. So I made a good profit already. So this would just be like extra money. So that's what we have to do. But I'm trying to decide if I want food out, but I don't know. And then I think my nieces are at our house. So if I get Chick-Fil-A, I feel like I'd want to ask if they want Chick-Fil-A. So I guess let me text my mother-in-law. Let me see if they want Chick-Fil-A really fast. Okay. I just texted my mommy-in-law and asked her if they wanted some Chick-Fil-A because I'm gonna go. I guess I'll get some fries. I'm really craving Chick-Fil-A sauce right now. I'm sorry guys, I don't know about the lighting. What is wrong with me? So I don't have my ring right now because it's getting sized. So if you guys don't know, we're gonna fix the lighting again. My ring was given to me early, so he was gonna actually propose to me in July in Disney World, but obviously COVID happened and that was canceled. And I'm so happy that we decided to get engaged and get married when we did, because he even said that Disney World right now is actually supposed to open the day he was going to propose to me. And he was like, I was like, would we still go? And he's like, probably not, and I would just propose to you the same way I did. So I'm really happy that we decided to do it early. But when he proposed, the ring was a size 7 and my hand is a size 5. So I had to buy like adjusters on Amazon just so I could wear my ring around and parade my ring and show it off. Oh, she texted me. Nuggies for Izzy. So that's what happened. My ring was a size 7 and I needed a size 5, and then we didn't have wedding bands, and we were literally gonna get married, I think it was like a week and a half after he proposed, or 2 weeks after. So we didn't have wedding bands, so we both got Amazon wedding bands. So this is actually an Amazon ring, and we just went to Jared's last week and gave them my ring, and then to get sized, and then we're getting a custom band because my stone is too big to where none of the actual bands fit it. It needs to be custom, so it goes around it, which is so exciting. I can't wait. But I don't get my band for 8 weeks, and I don't get my ring back for at least 2 to 3 weeks. I have no idea. So my hand feels so naked. It's already been 1 week, so we did 1 week, so I don't have to stress about that, even though I'm still stressing about it because my ring is gone. But it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. But I'm so excited to finally get it back when I do get it back, and I'm never gonna take it off. I mean, I wouldn't take it off anyway, but I'm just never gonna take it off ever. And I'm so excited. So that's what's been going on. Let's see. tomorrow, or I guess I can start with tonight. Tonight, Cole gets off at 5 and it's only 11:30, so I have so many hours without him, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. But like I said, my nieces are over, so we might hang out with them and go in the pool and stuff like that. And I want to tan, but I burnt my chest a little bit and it's kind of itchy because it's burnt. So I don't know if it's the smartest idea to tan, but I really want to because I want to be tan this summer. And I don't have face makeup on, that's why it's so red. And I don't have AC in my car, so my face is just gonna get even redder. Love that for me. But like I said, we're probably gonna, let me start my car. The camera's gonna start shaking and everything like that, so hold on. Oh, it didn't shake as much as I thought it would. Okay, so we're gonna head to Chick-Fil-A. What was I saying? What we're doing today? Oh yeah, go to the pool. Since it's my weekend, your girl's old enough to drink. If you do not know, she is 21. I'm probably gonna have like a drink or something, because I'm gonna address this now. The light on my forehead or shining anywhere is a crack in my windshield, so I'm sorry about that. But I'm not big on drinking. It's just not my thing, I've discovered, and Cole doesn't drink, so like it all kind of works out perfectly. So I just have like an occasional drink here or there, and so I'm probably just gonna have one when I get home, or maybe a little after I get home, just in case I decide to go out. I don't want to like have alcohol in my system when I go out. And so that's what's going on. I usually only drink when I don't have to work because I don't know, I just don't. And then let's see, I don't know what's for dinner. Oh my gosh, there's so many cars. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And then when Cole gets home, we're gonna hang out with his family, eat dinner, and then depending on the time, I'm not sure what time yet, we're actually going to watch our show. So we're gonna be watching the originals. We finished 13 Reasons Why within like 2 days. So now we're watching the originals. I've already seen it, but he hasn't, so we're watching it now. And so we'll probably watch that, and then he's gonna play video games tonight because he works so hard. Let me roll this up a little bit. He works so hard every single day for us, and he never gets to play video games because he has to go to bed early, so because he has to wake up really early because he works an hour away. So like I said, he works really hard, so on the weekends he stays up till like 3 in the morning and plays video games with his friends or my dad and my dad's friends. So that's really cool, and I just lay in bed and either play on my Switch, watch anything on my phone, or I was thinking tonight that I was actually gonna watch a TV show on my laptop because I just started watching, I don't know if it's called Heart of Dixie or Hearts of Dixie. I think it's Heart of Dixie. I've just started watching that and it's kind of interesting, so I'm gonna not finish watching it because like I said, I just started it, but I'm gonna watch that probably tonight and just enjoy the time with Cole. Even though he's gonna be playing video games, I still enjoy the time that we have together, and it's just so nice to have him home. I'm so excited because I feel like I barely see him during the week because like I said, he works crazy hours for being a manager and stuff like that, and it's only gonna get crazier when he becomes like store manager and stuff. So I just like to appreciate all the time we have together now, even if that is us watching a show or him playing video games, because I'm still technically with him and I can hear him and I get to smell him and stuff like that, which sounds like really ridiculous, but I love it. So yeah, that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing tonight. And then tomorrow, I don't think we really have any plans tomorrow except it's Sunday dinner. So every Sunday my mom declares Sunday nights for Sunday dinners because I have so many siblings, and as we all grow up and get older, we're all gonna have like families and stuff like that, but she wants everybody to know that they're welcome whenever, but Sundays are Sunday dinners, so everybody will come together on Sunday and have a great Sunday, have so much good food, or so many good, I don't know how you say it, just like really good food, and just enjoy each other's company. So that's been really nice. We've been going every Sunday, I think except one since we've been married, went like later in the day. So we're gonna be doing that tomorrow. Tomorrow's dinner is lasagna, and I'm so excited to have my mama's lasagna. It is so good, and I'm so excited. So that's what we're doing tomorrow, and we're probably gonna just chill in the morning. I might make him tan with me, because we have a pool in the backyard, but he hates tanning because he hates sitting still. But I really enjoy it, so I know he'll do it if I want him to do it with me. I'm so sorry about the lighting. Oh my god, I look like a freaking ghost. Actually, I don't. I look like a tomato. Guys, so I just got my food and I'm leaving now. My face is so freaking red. But Cole and I were just trying to talk about like what we were gonna do about my car because the AC doesn't work, obviously. And my dad was saying, he's like, if you think you guys are gonna have Piper, that's the name of my car, if you think you're gonna have Piper for a lot longer, then get the air conditioning fixed. But if you don't think you're gonna have her for much longer, just don't do it. And Cole and I talked about it, and we're like, he's like, no, we're just not gonna fix it, we're gonna get it done soon, I think. So he said he doesn't think that we're gonna keep her very much longer or something like that. So we decided to not fix her, so I will be sweating my shits off in my car for hopefully not that much longer, but at the same time I think it will be through this entire summer. I still will have her. I think I'll probably get a new car by the time next summer comes. And we were talking and we were saying that the next car that I get is actually the car that I'm gonna have babies in. Well, obviously I'm not gonna have babies in my car, but like it's the car that I will be taking our babies around in when I go places with them, which is so exciting. So I want to get a good, reliable car for when we do decide to have children, because it will be the car that I get next, which is so exciting and crazy to actually think about, that the next car I have will be the car that I take babies home in, which is like so exciting to me, and I can't wait. But it won't be for a while, but it's just like really exciting to just like think about that at all. So I'm excited. We're gonna be looking, I think I want a Jeep Cherokee Latitude or Sport, because I like the way the windows look on that. No cap, but I thought they were really cute, so we'll see. I still don't know. I definitely don't want a minivan. I don't want a minivan. Nothing against minivans, but I just don't want a minivan. So I won't be doing that. But yeah, that's what's going on. I'm gonna stop vlogging because I think my camera is gonna overheat because it's so freaking hot and it's in the sun. So I'm just gonna end the vlog. I'm gonna end the chat here. Thank you so much for watching. I know it wasn't very interesting, but it was kind of just like a fun little chit chat. So I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I'm gonna be doing hauls very soon, and Dunkin' first impressions and Starbucks food soon, so just keep a lookout for that. Just right now I don't have those filmed, so I will be filming those over the weekend, so be on the lookout for that. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.